What's happening, guys? Welcome to RGHtechTv. This is a 10-year-old laptop which I have here with me, which was actually gifted by my father while I was doing engineering. This is Lenovo G530, guys, which was launched like 10 years ago, probably 8 to 10 years ago. It came with 1 GB of RAM, definitely laughable specs if you consider today's standards. It came with 1 GB of RAM, Intel's dual-core processor, and probably 250 GB of hard disk or so. So, guys, obviously over time, the performance was degrading, and I've recently upgraded it. I'm pretty excited to show you the performance, and I'll also let you know like what's the reason for the improvement in terms of performance. Make sure to watch this video till then, guys. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And also, guys, importantly, the main motive of me making this video is to tell you that if you have some old laptops or computers, don't just throw them away, guys. You can make a good use of them, by investing little. I'll also let you know like what's the cost of investment. It's very little. You can get a complete working PC or a laptop which can handle day-to-day tasks, if not heavy gaming or heavy multitasking or even heavy video editing. It can get the day-to-day tasks done, and you don't have to invest into new products very often. So, guys, quickly let me show you the performance first. I'm pretty excited to show you, and I'm pretty damn sure you're gonna appreciate the upgrade, guys. So quickly, let's try and open some applications and let's see how it actually works. So here's a Word document. So if I have to exactly open, see, as you can see, it just opened in a jiffy, guys. You can just calculate maybe a second or so. I'll show you once more. So as you can see, guys, it's a 10-year-old machine, guys. Remember, let me open different document. Let's open this PowerPoint. So as you can see, guys, very quick, very responsive. I'll also show you a browser. See, it actually, guys, just follows my finger. You can see that it's blazing fast, guys. As I mentioned, there is a very little, minor upgrade which you should do to make sure that your old laptop or computer performs this good. So, guys, quickly, I'll tell you what's actually the reason for this improvement. Alright, guys, now here's the processor. This is RAM, and this is the place wherein the hard drive actually sits, the main hard drive. Now, this is the major change, guys. I'll let you know that in a minute. Apart from this, we have also increased the RAM. So as I mentioned earlier, we had originally it came with 1 GB of RAM. Now we have added 2 gigs of RAM extra, so it's 3 GB in total now. And the major upgrade is this SSD, guys. This is a SSD from Kingston. So as you can see, so if I have to exactly show you the pricing, online it's available for 2,300 rupees or so. Offline maybe it's a little bit costly. This is the major change, guys. So this is where your operating system and all the applications get actually installed. Now there is a little bit of mechanism involved, guys. In place of this main hard drive, we have installed this SSD, and in place of this DVD rewriter, we have installed this old hard drive. And to do this, you require a Caddy or an adapter, and once you've got this, you can easily install it, because we generally don't use DVD rewriter now, and as we have and as space is a constraint on laptop, definitely we have to adjust certain things. Okay, so now here's a quick side-by-side comparison of read and write speeds of the Kingston SSD and the original hard drive, and we can clearly notice that the speeds on SSD are far better than the internal drive. And guys, there is one more thing which I've actually changed. I've changed the processor from dual core to core to duo, and that also makes slight amount of difference. And as I mentioned, guys, all this upgrade is in affordable category. Within 5,000 rupees, you can get an SSD and also a RAM. So definitely those are the major changes to give you that performance boost. So guys, with this, one thing which I can guarantee you is this might not be an ideal machine, ideal laptop, ideal computer for editing heavy videos, but definitely it can edit videos up to 720p on VSTC free video editor. I've checked that it works perfectly fine without any issues. It can edit documents, you can watch videos, you can browse. By and large, you can get your day-to-day tasks done without any issues. So definitely I believe this is a worth upgrade, guys. If you have any old laptops, try considering this kind of upgrade. Maybe this will not serve you as a main computer, but definitely it's good as a secondary machine or a backup machine, giving you that alternative option. And also, guys, let me thank Mr. Anand from Tech Store. He actually helped me to upgrade this laptop. I'll leave his channel's link in the description box below, guys. Kindly check that out. So if you have any questions, any queries, definitely you can try and ask him. So that's it, guys. If you feel this video was informative, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family. Follow us on Twitter at RGHtechTv, subscribe to us on YouTube. Most importantly, thanks for watching. I'll see you real soon.